Today we're going to talk about routine maintenance for your home, which involves some caulking, some painting, and some spackling. In the closet here we got a pretty big gash in the wall. I'm going to show you how to fix it. The first thing you want to do is locate your spackling compound in your homeowner's maintenance kit. The first step is to get enough compound on your spackling knife, enough to fill the gash. Now we're going to apply it to the wall at the location of the gash. First you want to put it inside the damage and smooth out the best you can. Clean off the knife and wipe off the excess. Once you apply the spackling compound to the base of the damage, then you are going to want to skim over top of it with a light coat of spackling and let it dry. Okay, it looks like our drywall repair is just about dry. We've actually added a couple more coats to it just to ensure that all the drywall damage is covered. The next step that we want to take to prep for paint would be to sand the damaged area that we've repaired. The trick is to sand it just enough, but you don't want to over sand it. Okay, I've pulled my flat sheen paint out of my touch-up kit, and I've already given it a good shake, but you want to shake it for several minutes so that the settled paint at the bottom mixes in with all the paint. The next step is to pry it open using some sort of pry tool. You can use a screwdriver. In this case, I have a 5-in-1 tool, and I'm just going to work my way around the edges to open it up. Now that I've got my paint open, I'm ready to apply it to the wall. I don't need the whole can. I can just use the paint that's on the lids just for this small area. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of paint onto my brush and apply it directly to the wall. Trying to use nice, even brush strokes. Once you're done painting, reapply the lid and make sure it has a nice seal so the paint stays fresh and doesn't dry. We're here in the owner's suite bathroom to check the caulking in the shower to ensure that it has a good seal. It's important to check the caulking in all your bathrooms to make sure there's no cracks or any areas where moisture can get behind the walls or the tubs or the tile. So I've noticed we have a crack in the shower just along the seat here. And I'm going to show you how that gets filled and repaired. The first thing that you're going to need is a caulk gun. And we also have caulking that is in similar color to the grout. To set up the tube in the caulk gun, all you have to do is pull the lever back and then place the caulk gun tube inside of the caulking gun. The first thing you want to do is cut the tip of the caulking tube. This particular tube has already been cut, so it's ready to be used. First you want to put the tip of the caulking tube at the beginning of the crack. Slowly squeeze the trigger and pull back the caulking gun towards you and cover up the entire crack. The next thing you want to do is run your finger across the applied caulk. The trick is not to remove too much. In every Mid-Atlantic home that's delivered, we provide a touch-up kit for the homeowner after you move in. This is for touch-up after there may be scuffs on the wall after you move in or any other various damage that may occur from living in the home.